Hey YouTube, what's up? So I got the iOS 8 beta back on my iPod. Now I have iOS 8 beta 4. So we're just going to talk about it a little bit. So as you can see, I now have an app on here, Tips. Now, what that is for people who don't really know about iOS or don't know any of the changes, or people who are switching over from Android to Apple to quickly learn some things about it, and you can like them. You get apparently this shows you your tips and stuff, but you can do simple things like I think you can share them too. Yeah, you can message it and stuff like that, but it just shows you basically what to do and stuff. So that's a real nice thing they added, especially for people who don't know how to use iOS 8 and that stuff. So this next one is going to show you a little bit about what can I say? Some changes in the camera app itself. For starters, if you can notice, there's a little button right there, and it'll give you some times. I don't know how well it's focusing, but you can see you got 3 and 10. So I'm gonna hit 10. I'm gonna take the picture. So it's counting down from 10 to take a picture. So, and it gets faster and then takes the picture. For some reason it didn't think it needed the flash. But so that's one of the cool things about the camera app. Another thing is wrong button. The time lapse is still there. I wasn't sure if Apple's just yanking people's chains on that one, but I can't wait to show you this feature, which I'm about to do. So there you go. Okay, so this next one is a change with Control Center. Control Center looks beautiful now. So if we swipe up, you'll notice that it gets rid of a lot of the lines. You just have simple fades and stuff, and I don't know why that's not working. But it just looks a lot better than what it did, which is really cool. I'm glad they changed the way it looked, because the other way it just didn't look right. And oops, I turned something on. But yeah. So yeah. So this next one Apple added is for Siri, and what you say is, "Hey Siri." Hey Siri. Open Tips. So basically what Hey Siri does, which that totally failed, I had to say it twice. But what it does is you say Hey Siri, and it has to be plugged in. You can't just automatically do it while it's not plugged in. But when it's plugged into a power source and you say Hey Siri, it pops up and you can ask it something. I guess I'll have to have it closer. Hey Siri. Oh, shoot. Hey Siri. So yeah, it's working now. But pretty much with the Siri, that's it. So I'm gonna move on to something else now. So this next thing is called Handoff and Suggested Apps, and this is finally Apple's integrating this, I've heard, into the settings. And basically what it allows you to do is, if you have multiple iOS devices like I do, let's say I'm on an app on my iPad and I don't want to bring my iPad where I'm going, so basically on the lock screen there'll be an app icon in the bottom left corner, and you swipe up on that, and it opens your app. The app that you're on. So that's pretty neat. Which is, yeah, neat. So the weather icon, or the weather app has changed. So whenever you scroll up, you can see it's changing, and it'll give you like sunrise, sunset, chance of rain, the humidity, wind. It feels like all that stuff at the bottom, which is pretty neat, and it's provided by the Weather Channel. So that's it for this video. iOS 8 Beta 4 is a lot more stable than the Beta 1. I've had this for a day now, and it's been working good, so hopefully it stays like that. I did obtain this the way you're not supposed to, so yeah. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time on D&J Gameplay and Reviews.